Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Vudu step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Vudu website. Look for the sign in button on the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. You will see a pop-up window for login credentials. Enter your email address in the first field. Input your password in the second field. Make sure your information is accurate. If you want the site to remember you, check the Remember Me box. Click the Sign In button to proceed. Wait a moment for the page to load. Once loaded, you should be signed into your Vudu account. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page. Enter your email and new password. Click Sign In again to access your account. You are now logged into Vudu and ready to explore. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.